I want you to think about this idea that I teach, which is displacement, okay? If you have a children's swimming pool, okay, if you have a children's swimming pool in your backyard and you fill it up, and then you have an elephant just fall down inside of it, what's going to happen? The water's going to be displaced, okay? It's going to be an obvious displacement of that water. Rather simplistic analogy, but that's what you're looking for in price. When price goes above an old high and it trades down below it, you want to see an obvious displacement. You don't want to see it just do like, oh, well, you know, a little lethargic run here. That's not enough. This is like that elephant falling into that children's swimming pool. It's no doubt about it. It really had a displacement. When that occurs, then you go in and you start looking for the fair value gap, the low, the high, and if it trades back up into that, then you can look for a short.